Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Anjanappa, a teacher in a medical college, a senior surgeon. Last week, everybody is scared of corona. I know, COVID-19. Last 3 months, this deadly disease, according to many, entered from China to India. But as a senior surgeon and a teacher, I want to give some information regarding this COVID-19 novel corona. Believe me, this coronavirus is there since very long time. I did my MBBS from Government Medical College, Ballari. My textbook of medicine, Davidson, coronavirus is there. Why I am telling you this? Don't get scared. This is not a new virus. But now, this COVID-19 is caused by novel corona. What is this coronavirus? It belongs to a group of respiratory viruses. Means it spreads from one person to another person by sneezing, coughing, that is droplet. And this droplet, whenever you sneeze or cough, that's why we ask you to cough. If at all suddenly you cough with the protection of the arm so that droplet should not reach other fellow, it goes up to 3 feet, that is 1 meter. This is first information for you. That's how this viral disease has become a pandemic disease. Pandemic means it started in China, it has spread to more than 220 countries in the world. There is another terminology called endemic. Suppose a disease is confined to one area. If you go to Coorg, lot of people will have thyroid disorder. Many families, they will have people with thyroid enlargement. That's an endemic disease. But the difference between thyroid disorder being an endemic and a viral disease, thyroid disease doesn't spread from one person to another. This spreads from, that's why this is called a communicable disease. Communicable diseases can be epidemic, pandemic. When it occupies the most part of the globe, we call it as pandemic. This is an RNA virus. For the information of a non-medical person, you must know every living cell, every living being should have a cell. The least, one cell organism on earth is a bacteria. One cell means human body has got 60,000 million crore cells. So this bacteria has got single cell. A cell will have both RNA and DNA. That is very essential for the organism to survive and to multiply. And believe me, virus has got no cell. It has got either an RNA or a DNA. That is the genetic material. Now, this virus is the least living being on earth. So, for its survival, it has to enter or it depend on a living cell, either animal or human beings. So, this coronavirus is a human virus. We don't know whether it came from animal or not. Earlier we had an example of H1N1 coming from pigs particularly. So this virus, now it is a human virus. It spreads from one person to another person only by droplet, either direct coughing, sneezing or talking. That's why for you to understand, if you want to be away from this virus, you must keep a social distance of 3 feet. And second thing, you should wear a mask because you don't know when the person opposite to you will sneeze or cough. Protect your nose, and this is the respiratory entry. Nose, mouth, even eyes also. Eyes we cannot cover, but don't touch your eyes. That's why wearing a mask, you can either prevent your virus reaching somebody or somebody's virus reaching you. Third one, most important, is hand washing or hand sanitization. By chance you have gone outside, somebody has sneezed or coughed before you enter there, it is on the rails, iron rails. If you touch, and we have got an unusual habit of touching our eyes, nose and all, kindly don't touch. This virus which is surviving in the droplet, it can be there from 7 to 17 hours in the droplet. This virus will not be free in the air, it will not be flying in the air, but it will be in the droplet. And if you touch your eye, it will enter your conjunctiva or nose, then it can start multiplying. That's why don't touch any. By chance, if you have touched, put a sanitizer. Sanitizer, I don't know what the standard ISO sanitizer available or not, I don't know. But if you put a sanitizer, no, till you go home, that gets stuck to your skin, it remains there. The moment you reach your home or your working place, kindly wash your hand with soap and water, because soap is a detergent. This coronavirus, no, you must know, this virus looks, it has got a beautiful crown. All these viruses we cannot see under microscope. Only under electron microscope, if I see, there is a crown. In Kannada, it is called Kirita. Crown, that's why it is corona. So this crown should go for it to die. So the only way to destroy that crown is by washing your hand with soap and detergent for 1.5 to 2 minutes. So I have given you 2 options today. It is spreading widely. Every day we are getting 1,000 patients. Initially we had 4 lockdowns. Government insisted on that. People never followed. 5th lockdown was let loose and people went around, and this disease started going around. Now today, every day we are getting. But one thing is certain. Initially I said it's a deadly disease. Now as a clinician, as a doctor, I am telling you, it is not a deadly disease, it is not a deadly virus, it is a deadly spreader. That you must understand, because once I say deadly disease, everybody is scared, everybody is afraid. So you should have a correct scientific information. This virus, when attacks the society, the mortality rate, that is death rate, is less than 3%, most of the time less than 2%. If more than 50% if they die, which used to happen in plague and cholera earlier, that was a deadly disease. Today this is not a deadly disease, but don't take it lightly. That is very, very important. So most of the time, this attacks people with less immunity. That is children below 10 years, elderly people with comorbid diseases. All elderly are not, will not have comorbid. Don't be scared. If you have got diabetes, if you are on renal dialysis, if you have got some cancer, you are taking treatment, kindly take care of yourself. So by these 3 methods, keeping social distance, keep putting a mask, washing, these 3 are very, very important. Why I am telling you, once you become positive, we don't have a specific antiviral drug today. But somewhere, all of you must have already seen in the media, by next month 15th, that is August 15th, we are going to get a vaccine. Till now, we never had a vaccine for this, and you should be aware, there are few very successful vaccines available. One first was for against chickenpox, that's also a viral disease. Another is rabies, dog bite, that's also a virus. Oral polio vaccine, that's also a vaccine. See, they are the 3 most successful vaccines available. There are a lot of research is going on to get a vaccine for this corona, novel corona, but somewhere 20 are shortlisted. Our own country we are releasing by August 15th one vaccine. Till then, you be careful. To what extent that is going to help us, we don't know. But my sincere request, since all the hospital beds are full, but again I am telling you, beds are occupied by positive patients without any suffering, blocking the beds for really suffering patients, not necessarily from corona, it is even from ILI, the SARS, or even asthma. Respiratory distress is more common in these months, June and July. Even before corona, last year we used to see lot of patients getting into ventilator support in ICUs. Unfortunately today, those genuine patients who require, they are not getting bed because all the beds are occupied by positive. So I have my sincere request to government, make an arrangement for a bigger auditorium or somewhere, kindly put all these patients, because home quarantining is difficult. They are afraid of it. The neighbors will not allow them to stay there. A lot of social problems are there. My humble request to the government, kindly make arrangements. It's easy to take care of positive patients without symptoms, because hardly it costs few thousand rupees for drugs. Of course, the doctors have to wear PPE kits. That's why the cost of management has gone up because of PPE kits. Again, there should be proper practical guidelines from the government side. Somewhere people are scared. If I get into the hospital, I have to spend 3.5 lakhs. Every day I have to pay 10,000 rupees. Government itself has fixed a rate for private hospital only for giving paracetamol. But people, they should know, the doctor and the nurse, they have to wear a PPE kit. But if it is not necessary, there are definitely guidelines by ICMR who should wear, how many times, how many people should wear, all these things. Kindly reduce the cost of the treatment, because I am surprised to know the cost of treatment per patient in government hospital itself has come to 3.5 lakhs. So my humble request, somehow this is a crisis period and it is not going to come to zero. Every day number of cases will be increasing, because more number of tests, more positive. Today we are not able to trace from where they got this. Earlier they used to trace, now it is difficult to trace the origin of this, from where they got this. So ultimately what I am trying, now people have got some confusion. What is the difference between common flu, common cold and coronavirus disease? Lot of information I am getting in WhatsApp. If it is only dry cough, if there is a running nose, there are a lot of classifications given. In fact, one of my patient has sent me, sir, how to make out whether it is corona or not. Believe me, all respiratory problems, it is a theory explanation, but all respiratory problems will have sneezing, coughing, throat irritation, temperature, malaise, that is weakness, all these things. You cannot just say whether it is really flu, whether it is a corona, but both the treatment is same unless they develop a complication. Even common cold patient can also go for respiratory distress, that is less than 1%. In corona, it is less than 2%. So don't be afraid. My sincere thanks. Have your regular food, and the most important, immune booster. Everybody will be asking us if your immunity is good, because they followed. Yeah, that's beautiful. See, I got one more point now to tell you. So whether lockdown is important or not, if the people are educated, if there is a self-discipline, without lockdown also, the government has got a lot of responsibility. Kindly, you are responsible, I am responsible for my own health. Every individual takes care of these three things. Definitely corona can be eradicated till we get a successful vaccine. Kindly follow, otherwise it is going to be a big problem, because many middle class and working class, teachers, most of the government workers, many are suffering today because loss of job, because life is also important, and health is also important. Somewhere we have to compromise between these two. You cannot keep people under lockdown for months together, because they have to earn their bread and food. Kindly take care of your health. Three important, very simple: social distancing, wearing a mask, washing your hand, having nice nutritious food, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking. Smoking causes a lot of respiratory problems, and those, they become much more susceptible for corona to attack. Thank you very much.